Meaning of Leonard Cheshire.
Leonard Cheshire.
Leonard Cheshire.
Leonard Cheshire.
Leonard Cheshire. Leonard Cheshire was a British philanthropist and World War II veteran who founded the Leonard Cheshire Disability Charity in 1948. The charity works to improve the lives of people with disabilities in the UK and around the world by providing support, care, and advocacy services. Today, the charity operates in over 50 countries and supports more than 30,000 people with disabilities each year. Leonard Cheshire passed away in 1992, but his legacy lives on through the work of the charity that bears his name.